Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today guys, going to take a look at a beautiful 1971 Oldsmobile Real 442 guys. Neat car, North Carolina car, good solid straight body. Very cool color combination. This is Cameo white. It's got the dark red 442 striping, black vinyl interior. Good looking car. Matching numbers, 455, 4-speed car with air conditioning. This is it's an older restoration that has had some very recent upgrades, guys. I guess that's how I'll describe it. They said the actual original restoration on this car was done quite some time ago. Car's obviously been very well maintained. Again, love the color combination. Love the ram air hood. It's my favorite option on an Oldsmobile. I think that's the best looking hood out there. 15-inch torque thrust, 2 wheels. It's got the fiberglass, painted red fiberglass inner front fenders to look like the what I think the W30 cars. It is not a real W30 car. Couple little things you can kind of nitpick on the paint. I saw a couple little touch-up marks as you walk around it, but still very, very nice car. And it is a real 442, guys. They definitely replaced those bumpers. Rear deck spoiler. It's got the cutouts for the rear exhaust. Those are 275 Uniroyals on the rear. Nice and straight down the sides. Car's got a good stance. Sorry about all the leaves. Everything's just blowing around today. Real windy and those, I think I said those are American. Those are Eagle alloy wheels. 15s all the way around it. Of course, it's got the front disc brakes, and again, it's got the red painted inner fender wells. Car's got a real good look to it. Again, this is a matching numbers, 455 cubic inch engine. 4-barrel Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake. Does have headers on it. Of course, it's got the correct ram air cleaner on it. Power steering, power front disc brakes, factory AC. And it is a 4-speed manual transmission. They say this thing runs strong too. 12 bolt 331 limited slip rear axle. Love that hood. Sport mirror. Looks like new door handles. I think a lot of this interior is actually new. It's, yeah, it looks like new door pads, new carpet, new sill plates. They've definitely redone the seats. It's new floor mats are on the way. Bucket seats, center console. It's got the sports steering wheel, Hurst shifter. Headliner looks good. Little mark there on your steering wheel. Showing you 45,000. I'm sure that's 145. Factory dash. Got some aftermarket gauges, aftermarket radio. Flowmaster dual exhaust. Again, 12 bolt 331 limited slip rear axle. Does have the rear sway bar. Jack with spares in the trunk here. It's all spackle coated. Car is clean underneath. As always, there's photos on the website. Just takes pictures of the bottoms of the cars. Definitely redone these seats. Center console, wood grain dash. Mirrors on, rear blows cold. Air induction does work on the car. Nice little cam to it. Car sounds good. Do this with one hand. Not the simplest thing to do. Yeah. Fit of that hood is really good too. Nice sound. Fuel gauge works, really everything is down there. You can see the car's holding good oil pressure. I don't know if the voltmeter's working down there. Temp gauge is working. Everything opens and closes good. Good sound, man. That sounds great sound. Radio works, blower motor works. You got a headlight needs to be adjusted on that side. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram page, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.